So, what are the challenges some of the parents mentioned? And I'm sure this picture looks quite familiar to most of you when children were having a kind of a long stretched vacation, which started almost, I believe, from end of March. So, this was the easiest option available to most of the children. Even parents, when they were busy with other activities, with their work and home priorities, they were left with this one easy option for the children. In the process, also some of the children, parents felt that children have occupied themselves so much that they were also not available to discuss, understand, and learn some of the activities which could help them to explore the time in better way. And that's where the challenges increased. And why so? Parents, because it was a completely new environment for children, that suddenly they were asked to stay at home without having any external activities, because for children one of the major thing was to play and have fun, which was missing, and they started occupying themselves with many games, and I believe some of them also were quite violent games which can increase their aggression, their hyperactiveness, and also the way they wanted to address various way. And this has led to a lot of sibling fights. Somewhere also a disrespect. And in the process, also what happened, some of the children also started disrespecting because their favorite things were not allowed for a certain extended period of time. And this has led to many parents in a problematic situations. Now, how to really manage this? So I decided to put this webinar for the benefit of all those how to really handle and understand these challenges. These all challenges has really made the parent and child disconnection. Instead of ideal, it should have been connected more, but there were many areas of disconnections. Why? Because maybe there is a lack of communication, maybe a lot of misunderstanding what the child wanted and what the parent wanted. A lot matter when the way we communicate in our tone and tune, because when most of the family members are present at home, each one has their own preference, and then there are going to be some kind of disagreements, and how those disagreements were handled uh, created lot many problems which made the parents to really look at how to handle them. So before I go ahead, I want all the parents who are present here want to just reflect for a few seconds. What has been a certain screen usage for themselves before we get into a screen time usage for the children? Just maybe if you have a pen and paper, you can make a note just for your reference that what is it, is the lockdown has increased the total amount of time that you have spent on the internet or other activities? What kind of those activities? And with those activities, has it given you really a satisfaction? Reflect on this point before we go ahead.